Need a quick way to tackle pet hair and everyday messes? The Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro handheld vacuum delivers powerful cordless cleaning in a lightweight, compact design. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro handheld vacuum, crevice tool, brush tool, multi-surface pet tool, power adapter, and user manual. Product overview. How to use. To charge the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro handheld vacuum, insert the charging adapter into the handle and plug it into a wall outlet. The indicator light blinks while charging and turns off when fully charged. Press the power button to start cleaning and move the nozzle over the surface. When finished, hold the vacuum over a trash bin and press the CleanTouch Dirt Eject button to empty the dust cup. Maintenance. Press the dust cup release button to remove the dust cup, then take out the filter. Empty the dust cup over a trash bin using the CleanTouch Dirt Eject button. Rinse both the filter and dust cup with cold water. Then let them air dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinstalling. Do not use a hairdryer or clothes dryer to speed up the drying process. LED indicator. Smart features? Dual cyclonic air streams deliver strong, consistent suction to capture dust, crumbs, and pet hair. It maintains reliable cleaning performance for everyday messes on a variety of surfaces. The motorized pet power brush lifts stubborn pet hair from upholstery, carpets, and fabric surfaces. Its self-cleaning design helps reduce hair wrap for hassle-free maintenance. The lightweight cordless design makes it easy to clean anywhere without being limited by a power cord. It offers effortless portability for furniture, stairs, cars, and tight spaces. The removable dust cup and filter are easy to rinse with water for simple maintenance. Regular cleaning helps keep the vacuum performing at its best and extends filter life. The CleanTouch Dirt Eject system lets you empty the dust cup with the press of a button. It provides quick, hygienic disposal while minimizing contact with dust and debris. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro handheld vacuum. See you at the next one.